Hello guys. SSD 640 Education welcomes you. Today we will discuss on Italy's major problem of low birth rate. Severely depleted birth rate is affecting the entire Europe significantly. Italy has recently set a new all-time low, as there were no births in the entire country for 3 months. Why the low birth rate in Italy? Reasons: Italy has one of the lowest fertility rates, with an average of 1.26 children per woman in 2022, below the replacement rate of 2.1 children per woman needed to maintain a stable population. Reasons for low fertility rate: 1. Economic uncertainty. 2. Changing gender roles. 3. High cost of childcare. 4. Lack of family support. Italy's aging population, median age of 45.7 years in 2023, due to a combination of low fertility and high life expectancy. Increasing life expectancy. This positive development is also putting a strain on the social security system and public services. Low fertility rate. There are fewer young people to support the growing population of older adults. Negative net migration. In 2022, there were 147,000 more departures than arrivals due to following reasons. Economic opportunities. Many young Italians are emigrating to other countries in search of better economic opportunities. High unemployment. Italy has a high unemployment rate, especially among young people. Political instability. Italy has a history of political instability, which can deter people from immigrating to the country. Consequences. 1. Shrinking workforce. The number of people of working age, 15 to 64, is projected to decline from 35.8 million in 2023 to 31.9 million by 2050. 2. Declining tax revenues. This is making it difficult to fund public services such as healthcare, education, and pensions. 3. High dependency ratio. The dependency ratio is the number of people who are not working divided by the number of people who are working. Italy has a very high dependency ratio, which is putting a strain on the working age population. 4. Regional disparities. The population decline is most severe in southern Italy, where there are high rates of unemployment and emigration. 5. Social and cultural impacts. The population decline is leading to a loss of cultural vitality and a sense of community. What steps has the Italian government taken to increase the birth rate in Italy? 1. Financial incentives. The Italian government has incentives for people to have more children, such as tax breaks, childcare subsidies, and paid parental leave. 2. Immigration policies. More flexible immigration policies to attract more workers to the country. 3. Support for families. Increased support for families, such as affordable childcare and flexible work arrangements. Challenges in utilizing potential demographic dividend. 1. Informal economy. 2. Caste discrimination. 3. Religious differences. 4. Gender disparities. Way forward. Health and education spending. Better health facilitates improved economic production. Investment in education is crucial for preparing the working age population for the demands of the economy. Increase female workforce participation. Implement legally compulsory gender budgeting to analyze gender disaggregated data and its impact on policies. Increase childcare benefits to support working mothers. Bridge skill gap. emphasize the importance of vocational skills development and promote internships to provide practical experience. Encourage foreign capital inflows. Aim for a gross fixed capital formation (GFCF) of 33% of GDP to meet growth and job creation goals. Transition from the agriculture sector. Facilitate the absorption of labor into productive employment in non-agricultural sectors. Conclusion. The alarming decline in the birth rate in Italy necessitates urgent and comprehensive measures to address demographic challenges and ensure a sustainable future for the country. Thank you.